Hello, today we will be continuing with Bermuda Bridges. In today's topic with technology, we will be looking at the different bridges in Bermuda and where they are located. To start this, we will be using a program called Google Slides. Google Slides is similar to PowerPoint. In the first slide, you'll notice the directions for the assignment. Once I launch this activity, below is another link that you'll be using, and you're familiar with this as well. This is the PBS Build a Bridge site, which tells you the different types of bridges that exist, such as the arch bridge, the beam bridge, suspension bridge, and also the cable stayed bridge. So there are 4 different types of bridges. Another link that will be very useful in this assignment is Google Docs. So what you have to do is find Google, the Google search engine, and then you type in Google Maps, and then from Google Maps you want to type in Bermuda, which will give you a really excellent map of Bermuda and the different roads that you can find in Bermuda to help you with this assignment, with today's assignment. So once you have those 3 things launched, Bermuda Google Maps, or you could use Google Earth, the PBS Build a Bridge website, you also want to have Google Slides available. What you're going to be doing today is you're going to be matching each bridge picture that's in Google Slides with the location of that bridge. Then you need to place each bridge and the map of Bermuda on an individual slide. And then, as it says, you should also tell which type of bridge was selected by using the web link, and this is referring to the PBS Build a Bridge web page to tell you what type of slide that is. So if we look at our Google Slides presentation, we have the Flats Bridge, Somerset Bridge, the Causeway, Grays Bridge. I'm just going to select that bar here to slide down. Watford Bridge, Coney Island Bridge, Longbird Bridge, Swing Bridge, Ordnance Island Bridge, and also Cockburn's Cut Bridge. And then we have our different maps of where these bridges are located. Hamilton Parish, Flatsmith Parish, Ireland Island South, Ireland North, Hamilton Parish, St. David's Island, Coney Island, Hamilton Parish, St. George Island, St. David's Island, Somerset Island, Watford Island, Somerset Island, Sandy's Mainland, Buzz Island, Ireland South, and St. George's Island, Ordnance Island. Okay, so now we see the different bridges in Bermuda and their locations. So here I have the first bridge on slide 2, Flats Bridge. If I select that picture, I'll notice that some blue lines come up around it and also some blue squares, which are actually handles. And if I select one of those handles, it will allow me to make my picture bigger and more visible. So now what I want to do is I'm going to look for the map that actually tells me where in Bermuda I can find this bridge. Okay, now I have 2 options. I could go to my Bermuda maps, and then I can type in Bermuda, Flats Village, and I can select it, and this will show me where in Bermuda I could find this bridge. Okay, And if I scroll up this page, as we also shared that bridges are necessary where two bodies of land are not accessible. That's where we build a bridge. And from this we learned that Bermuda is actually a group of islands and not an isolated single island, and the bridges prove that. So here on North Shore Road is where we would find the Fletch Bridge. So now I'm going to go back to my Google Slides presentation, and I'm going to look for the map that tells me where I would find Fletch Bridge. So I'm going to scroll down and look through my maps for which map that I think matches. And actually this one was, if I select that and pull one of the handles out, I'm going to make my picture bigger, and here I see Flats is located in Smiths Parish. So now I'm going to either right mouse click and I'm going to select cut, or I'll select this map picture, go up to edit and cut the map, and now I'm going to paste this map picture next to the Fletch Bridge, and I can right mouse click and I have a paste button that I can select, or I can go up here to edit and push paste, and now I have the map next to the bridge. And I'm going to make that smaller so I can see both of them on the same slide. And first I select the picture that I'm making smaller, and that red line lets me know that it's at the same height. Then I can bring this down to where you can see it's about the same height at the bottom. And Fletch Bridge is located in Smiths Parish. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the type of bridge Fletch Bridge is. So I'm going to go to the top of my page that I have open to Nova Build a Bridge, and I can see that style of bridge here that Fletch Bridge is, and I'm going to look for, well, what type is it? An arch bridge? No, because it doesn't have an arch in it. Fletch Bridge. No arches in Fletch Bridge. Is it a beam bridge? Look straight horizontal. I think that's a possibility. Beam bridge. It's not a suspension bridge. Doesn't have cables, vertical cables. And it's not a cable stayed bridge either, because there are no cables on the sides. So I think that the Fletch Bridge is a beam bridge. So now I'm going to go back to my Google slide presentation, and I'm going to come to where I see this T, and when I put the mouse on this T, I can see the words text box. So this is going to allow me to type the type of bridge that Fletch Bridge is. Okay, and if I go back just to check, so Fletch Bridge is a beam bridge. So I'm going to type beam bridge. Okay, I can make this box smaller, or I can even make my text larger by selecting or highlighting the text and coming up to my font size here. I'm going to make that a bit bigger, and I could stretch. It's open. And even adjust it on my page. Okay, so it's a beam bridge, and I can, if I want, change the color. All right. Okay, so I'm going to do that for each of the different bridges on this page. So I'll do the same thing for Somerset Bridge. Select the page, then look for the map of my different map pages of where I think Somerset Bridge is located. Thank you for watching.